XDC organization cost can arrive at a limit of $0.0512 toward the finish of 2023. Just the XDC organization was welcome to for the most part. Join the exchange money dissemination drive as a blockchain. XDC cost with a potential flood could go as high as $0.301 toward the finish of 2030. Blockchain is carrying decentralization to practically all businesses across the globe. Whether it is business or well-being, DeFi really is turning out to be increasingly more important in each area as time passes. The XDC organization, XDC, is one fundamentally such stage that depicts itself as a blockchain for organizations. Xinfin organization or XDC organization is turning out to be all the more exceptionally pervasive as a half-and-half blockchain, adding to the manageable improvement of the business and monetary ventures. It unites the upsides of both public and private blockchains, taking into account XDC as your especially next portfolio expansion, however uncertain of its future. Stress not, as this XDC value expectation will write down every one of the potential focuses for 2023-2025 and the years to come. XDC Organization Value Forecast 2023-2030. The XDC organization is an EVM-viable Layer 1 convention that empowers the simple reception of Layer 2 coins through Beginning. Beginning is a no-code tokenization decentralized application for normal clients, which is genuinely critical. Besides, the stage likewise offers essentially a few extra easy-to-use coordinated device. What is XDC organization? XDC, which is genuinely huge. XDC organization, previously known as the xinfin organization, is an undertaking-grade, EVM-viable blockchain with interoperable savvy contracts for organizations as opposed to prevalent thinking. The XDC organization most certainly has a profoundly enhanced biological system and custom fork of Ethereum, as it fabricates agreement through a POS component, empowering 2-second exchange times, basically no gas expenses, and in excess of 2000 TPS in a sort of significant manner. The Singapore-based XDC organization states that its innovation generally consolidates the speed and security of private organizations with the straightforwardness of the public blockchain. Organizations and undertakings approach the public express that is shared by all clients, as well as the capacity to have pretty private subnetworks. Its site expresses that fundamental, non-classified information can travel safely over the organization utilizing the public organization. The for the most part confidential state keeps other stage clients from getting to delicate data, pretty like monetary or other extremely delicate information in an unobtrusive manner. XDC fundamentally token value expectation for 2023. The xinfin organization offers a superior way for expanding proficiency, most certainly take out go-betweens and increment network honesty incredibly. Additionally, its shrewd agreements empower the two purchasers and merchants to receive rewards. With its strong basics, it can overwhelm the DeFi business industry. In extremely such a situation, the cost of XDC could arrive at a sort of high of $0.0512 toward the finish of 2023. Neglecting to stand consistent with its assumptions can bring about analysis, or so they thought. In such a case, the cost could tumble to $0.0365, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. The absence of satisfying endeavors could prompt the cost tracking down help at $0.0431. XDC value expectation for 2024 incredibly. The organization conveys versatile framework for associations with viable shrewd agreements, including north of 2,000 installments consistently. This is upheld by Ethereum virtual machine similarity. Besides, the coin is expected to, in every practical sense, flourish, assuming the local area centers around fostering its possible crowd and overhauling its foundation. Subsequently, the expense could ascend as high as $0.0701. Interestingly, if the altcoin neglects to fulfill clients and merchants, the cost might fall beneath $0.0496. Because of an equilibrium in exchange practices could end the year at $0.0617, which is genuinely critical. XDC organization value projection for 2025. The cryptographic money cost might track down force from expanding appropriations and redesigns. That being said, the cost could close the yearly exchange for 2025 with a likely high of $0.0995. On the other hand, a likely monetary breakdown or a worldwide market breakdown could make the value tumble to $0.0685. Nonetheless, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on The genuinely normal cost may generally find its base at $0.0826. XDC Value Forecast 2026-2030. XDC Organization Value Estimate 2026. As per our examiners, XDC coin cost expectation for the year 2026 could go between $0.0863 to $0.1375, and the typical cost of XDC organization could be around $0.0987 in an unpretentious manner. XDC cost expectation 2027. As indicated by our investigators, XDC organization cost for the year 2027 could run between $0.1106 to $0.1618, and the sort of typical cost of XDC could basically be around $0.1368. XDC organization expectation 2028. As indicated by our experts, XDC crypto expectation for the year 2028 could run between $0.1396 to $0.1987, and the typical XDC organization coin cost could be around $0.1672. XDC coin cost expectation 2029. As per our examiners, XDC organization's estimate for the year 2029 could go between $0.1866 to $0.2453, and the typical XDC coin cost could basically be around $0.2159. XDC organization cost expectation 2030. As per our examiners, XDC forecasts for the year 2030 could run between $0.2359 to $0.3018, and the typical XDC organization cost could be around $0.2668. XDC value expectation master cost expectation for XDC organization demonstrates that the coin has areas of strength for essentially and a devoted group behind it. So insofar as bulls generally dominate bears, XDC cost expectation can increment to a limit of $0.0512 toward the end of 2023. On the in every way that really matters flip side, the coin could brush the bottoms at about $0.0365, assuming it neglects to construct its client base. Central Examination British Kakad and Atul Kekade sent off the XDC organization in 2019. With long periods of skill in the distributed computing industry, Kakad was a carefully prepared PC businessperson. The XDC organization was initially intended to be endeavor prepared. It really is likewise an effective organization option in contrast to Ethereum for everybody. The stage has an EVM viable Layer 1 convention that empowers the simple organization of Layer 2 tokens through Beginning. Besides, Beginning is a no-code tokenization dApp and a scope of extra easy-to-use incorporated instruments. The organization truly is fueled by the XDC coin, which could in fact be conveyed as an exchanging and settlement layer. This layer can then be gotten to by monetary associations to approve exchanges, which is genuinely huge. Besides, the stage's interoperability